couple plays a nigga wouldn't believe. I done seen a couple levels said I wouldn't achieve. You ain't even see my best, I got some tricks up my sleeve, yeah. Staying on the swivel, know these niggas be tripping. But baby, we some riders, they won't stop us from living, breaking down some more, you know we keeping it twisted. Fuck that, keeping it too humble, let them see what you getting. All these niggas acting tough, you better get up some hoes. Catch a shawty out here slipping, I'ma hit her for show. I'm a different type of nigga, wouldn't play with me, bro. I might take it to some levels y'all ain't willing to go. Keep some diamonds in my ear, little gold on the chain. Tried to make an introduction, but she knowing my name. Scooping up the little homie, then I throw him some game. Never treat the side piece like your main. Know what I'm saying, man? Doing what I'm doing, but you niggas ain't doing it right. Do it in your dreams, but a nigga gon' do it tonight.